And remember this, those persons who will not, be cycle on this day, example, this 18, so the only cycle you have here is 10, right? So the 8 people, don't you worry because it's gonna be carried over the following day. So you have 8 here next day. And of course, because you have 18 people here, you have 5 people here, you have 2 people here, whether you like it or not, these persons will sell Global Gas card, right? So you will have your new members the following day. So example, you have 22 new members plus the 8 people that came yesterday, all right? And then example on your right team, you have example 20. So again, the cycle you have here is 20 cycle. So 20 times $25, that is $500. Guys, you don't know this person anymore. Okay? Maybe this person, the only person you know here is 2 people. You know what I mean? So this is the beauty of this binary plan. Okay? Example, of course, you have 10 people excess here, so it's going to be carried over again the next day. Example, you have 50 new subscribers again today, so 50 plus 10, so you have 60 people on your left today. And example, on your right team, so you have 50 new subscribers. So how many cycles do you have? 50. So 50 times $25, so you have $1,250 in one day, or even in 1 week. This is a very good business, man. And listen, did we pull these people? No. This person will get $5 every week, and in 12 months, in 12 weeks, in 1 year, in 12 months, he will receive $260 gas cost free point from the company. So everybody are happy. While you are earning this kind of amount of money every day, all your members are happy because they will get discount and they will earn money also like you. Now, we're almost done. Just give me 2 more minutes, okay? Just wanna show you this structure. Example, even this person doesn't have people here, and this person doesn't have people here. Congratulations, the company will pay you $25. You don't need to wait for this person to get left and right. No. Remember, once the computer sees you have 1 here and you have 1 here, you get paid $25. Even this person doesn't have here, and this person doesn't have here also, you get paid $25. $25. Okay? For every 1 person who come on board on your left team and on your right team, you get paid $25. Now, we have cycle bonus and we have also star bonuses. Okay? Example, we have a promotion right now. If you get your left and right in 7 days, example, you have 1 on your left and 1 on your right, okay? Aside from the $25 that you are going to receive as your cycle bonus commission, you will receive a star bonuses. So once you have left and right in 7 days, you have additional $1, infinity. Okay? Now, what if you exceed, like example, you get this 2 person in 8 days. To qualify to star 1 bonus, you must have 2 people to qualify for star 1 bonus. But I suggest, oh my God, everybody who join here, they get their 2 people in 3 days, in 1 day. Don't get his left and right in 1 minute. Okay? It's up to you. Alright? So what if some people might tell you, what if my right leg, don't move? Okay. Let's say for example, your right team, got sick, right? This left team only do double gas every day. Because example, assuming that you are star 3 qualifier. So you will receive $3, infinity on all your left-in. Okay? So this is the beauty of binarism. This is the beauty. This is what you call simple and easy to earn money. Okay? So thank you for listening and thank you for your time. I hope to work with you guys and sir, contact your sponsor, contact the person who gave you this website, and sign up right away. 150 is 150. But when you sign up and become a member in 3 weeks, I mean, in 30 weeks, you already, you already get your investment already. So I suggest, sir, don't think it twice, sign up right away. My name is Ron, and thank you very much.